General Practice. Are you ready for the SystmOne General Practice? Are you ready for the SystmOne General Practice Excellence Awards in collaboration with EGP Learning, and a way for you to win not only prizes, but the kudos of being able to showcase what you can do to help your staff, your practice, and especially your patients. Let's tech enhance your primary care and learning. Hello EGP learners and general practice out there. This episode we're going to cover the General Practice Excellence Awards by TPP SystmOne and your opportunity to get some amazing opportunities and prizes. In collaboration with TPP SystmOne, over the next few weeks, you will have the opportunity to submit the amazing stuff that you do in general practice using TPP SystmOne and how that benefits not only your practice teams, but especially your patients. And the reward for doing this? Well, not only the kudos that you are showcasing amazing skills, but in addition, there are prizes to be won. In fact, the prizes is £1,000 for each category, for each individual person or practice that is showcasing that innovation. That's right, £1,000. So how's it going to work? Well, we're going to run 3 different webinars over the coming months. And for each webinar, we're going to cover 2 different areas. And prior to each webinar, we will be shortlisting the applicants so that we can share with you their amazing innovations. The first webinar is going to be on the Wednesday, the 4th of March at 12:30, covering access, triage, and an additional award looking at operational efficiency. The deadline for submission for that is the week before, on Thursday, the 26th of February. Following that, on Wednesday the 25th of March, we're going to showcase the winners from that particular award, but also cover the next 2 awards, which is the Excellence in Caring and Long-Term Conditions Award and the Gold Standard in Prescribing Award as well, with the deadline for submissions for that particular webinar being Thursday the 18th of March. Following that, we have a little bit of a break because it's Easter and various other things happening in general practice, but then we're coming back to you with our final webinar looking at the best innovative use of SystmOne and the Neighbourhood Teams Excellence Award, with the submission date for that particular live stream being Thursday the 7th of May. Now, as you can imagine, rules and all that kind of stuff do apply, and the links to look at that is down below in this website, or you can look at the links down below which will take you straight to them. And in addition to that, don't worry, I'm not going to be participating for the awards. I'm here to showcase the amazing stuff that all of you are going to be doing. And my hope is not only do you have the opportunity to win these awards, but also benefit from seeing the amazing work that everybody does out there in general practice, but particularly how they use SystmOne to improve the quality of care to their patients, the organizations of the practice, and hopefully save time for the clinicians as well. General practice, this is your opportunity to share your amazingness. And coming up right now is the links to the different webinars if they've already taken place, or look in the comments or show notes for the links to the rules and application dates as we absolutely tech enhance your primary care and learning. Catch you then.